Hello everyone. Today I, Apnada, and my friend
Javedi.
are sitting in front of you to having a general conversation in our daily to daily life. So first we can start with you. So how was your day?
My today's day was very excellent, and I have done my all my works and my every efficient task with my own efficiency and my own zeal. So how was your day?
My day was still very good and I was feeling energetic. Now we can start with brief introduction about yourself. So you
Sure.
can do.
So my name is Javedi. I was born and brought up in Kanpur. My family consists of four members, including me. As far as my academic qualification is concerned, I have passed my 8th from CBSE board and pursuing ninth from the same board. Respected you guys. Today we are here to discuss about our conversation. So what's about yourself?
So my name is Abhinavado. I was born and brought up in Kanpur. As far as my education qualification is concerned, I did my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya, Arnapur, Kanpur, and recently completing my graduation from Kanpur University in Bachelor's of Computer Application. So now we can ask some general question about our daily to daily life.
Yeah.
So first we can ask what's your future plans or what ambition?
My future plans or my ambition, my main goal is to achieve the rank of captain via NDA exams and SSPs. So my goal is very pretty simple, and I just want to crack NDA and become a captain in the Indian Army ranks. So about yourself,
If I have to say about my future plans, then I will definitely say I have to start my own venture and I want to basically I want to start some my business by my own self. That's my future plans.
okay. And if I just say about your day to day life, then how was your breakfast and what have you just eaten for the breakfast today?
If I have to say, I had today a cup of tea with some omelette, and this is the stuff I can eat today. What about you?
My was also pretty simple that I just have samosa or the rissoles and some one glass of cold drink today. That was only efficient for me. And if I just say that what you are going to do in your day after the classes, or what's your daily routine about?
If I have to say my daily routine, so it will start with 6 a.m. First, I have to do some regular basic stuff of the day. Then after, I have to take my online classes, which are basically for CAT exam. After that, I take a little nap for at least 30 minutes. After that, I have to give tuition and then I have to take my classes. And after that, I just have some walk in the park. And after that, just eating dinner and have a good sleep. That's my daily routine.
That's pretty nice. And
What's about you?
my
How you spend your day?
yes, mine is also pretty simple. That I just woke up at around 7:30 or 8. Then I just do all my stuffs related to the freshness. Then I started to firstly started to learn about English, and then my mother gave me the breakfast, and I have it. Then me and the family just have a family time or spend time together. Then we just like firstly the first thing is that I just have to do my stuffs on the laptop and reading from the books, and just after that I have to go to my for taking my sister, and then I come to the coaching, the Interim Academy, and then I just uh, then then it's pretty simple that I just go back at home and do the mathematical operation and on from the book. Then I just leave.
Now we can ask our dislike and what we can like. So we can start what you would like to prefer or watching movies or web series.
I would like to prefer watching movies because they complete a little bit simple. But in some ways, I also like web series like Panchayat. It is a great
It was
web
great.
series, yes, which everyone like to watch because it is basically it is for the Indian sake of entertainment. So that's pretty simple. If I just say that, what would you like to have, a walk or a running? Like which you will better to say that
If
it's
I have to choose, then definitely I will choose walk because I would like to prefer my quality time with myself. Then I will choose to prefer walk with my headphones and listen music and walk on the park on something, whatever the place we have or I have. Then I choose
but
to walk.
it sometimes it is said that running is more efficient than walking. About like what you just say about it.
Maybe it's beneficial for us, but if I have to choose over running, then I will definitely say I choose to walk.
Okay, nice. And so, like, what you want to do for your sake of entertainment? Like, what do you do in your free time or that?
Whenever I get free time, I usually choose to walk, and when I have more time, then I choose to watching some web series or whatever the maybe it's some kind of YouTube videos, and sometime I used to talk to with my friends whenever I get free time.
Nice. Like, we can also say that it's your hobby for the
No,
day.
it's not hobby, but whenever I get free time, I do this. But if I have to speak about my hobbies, then it will be definitely reading books. Is my hobby, and also I can say that listen music is my hobby.
Nice.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is pretty simple that I just play cricket or scroll the reels on YouTube. So that's all about my hobbies. And if I just say that why you just started to learn about English and if, especially choosing in time academy.
I when I start watching English movies, I feel facing that I was not able to cope up with the dialogues, what the characters say. Then I thinking that I am lacking in English language, then I choose to in Time Academy. Then after I will see that I will get some more knowledge about English language. It will also boost my confidence in speaking English, and I will definitely say in Time Academy will definitely help me in my speaking journey.
So how's your atmosphere in that in time academy that why you like this academy or this facilities?
First, I will say the faculties are too much better, or say I'll just fabulous because they always help the students whenever we get demotivated. The faculties get motivated me, and my also my colleagues and my friend also motivated, and they always help me to telling or to keep up and to say that you can speak well, you can do better. So they just always motivate me. So the all over the atmosphere of In Time Academy will be better. That's why I choose In Time Academy.
Nice. So, likewise, our conversation is done for today. We'll be seeing you in the next podcast or video. Thank you for watching.